This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by locking perspective. Draw a horizon and pick one vanishing point so all canopy ribs converge correctly. Next, place a vertical centerline for the pole and measure a consistent radius, say 120 px, so proportions stay accurate. Then sketch a flattened ellipse for the canopy edge. This ellipse communicates tilt and foreshortening. Once done, check symmetry by folding an imaginary plane through the centerline and make sure the major and minor axes align with your chosen viewpoint. Now build structure. Divide the ellipse into equal segments and draw radial guidelines from the pole to mark rib positions. You draw ribs as slightly curved lines that meet a small central ferrule. Thicker near the pole and tapering outward conveys strength and perspective. Then connect ribs with panel curves to form canopy fabric, making sure adjacent panels overlap subtly to suggest depth. Once done, refine line weights so nearer ribs are darker. That contrast sells the three-dimensional form effect. Finish by choosing a light source and applying gradients. Darken the underside of panels and subtly lighten the top ridges so curvature reads immediately. Then draw a cast shadow on the ground from the pole and canopy, softening its edges as it recedes to reinforce distance. Add crisp highlights along ribs and the canopy peak to catch light. If something looks flat, increase contrast between nearest and farthest elements. If ribs misalign, recheck vanishing point alignment and correct their convergence.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.